Hi parents, it's Laura Hall. When we're at school, we do a lot of work with math games to help the children build their math skills. So I thought I might bring you some of our games that we play so that you can play them with your children. There are a lot of different ways you can recognize numbers. If we ask a child if they recognize the numerals, we do it this way. We say, the 3. Do you recognize the number 3? So we have the numbers out on the table, and the children point to it. Do you recognize the number 3? Right here. Can you find the number 1? What about the number 2? That's a lot different than if you say the same numbers. What is this? And the child says, oh, that's a 3. What's this? That's a 2. And this? That's a 1. Now you'd think that a child would be able to do both sets of skills, but that's generally not the case. The children that can name the numbers can't always recognize the numbers when you show them to them. So you figure out which area your child is stronger in, you can work on the other skills with them. You can also play number games by taking a numeral, putting it out, and giving the children toys. This is a number. What number is this? 3. How many bears should I put out? And let them put out bears or pieces of colored paper or pieces of macaroni, anything they want. But let them have a number and put something with it. 1, 2, 1. And again, you can do it the other way. Find the number which goes with the number of bears I have. 2. How many bears should we put here? And let them do it. Then, if you take all your numbers and mix them up, ask your child to put them in the correct ascending order. So the child would have to go through the numbers and do it 1 through 10 and put it out. 1, 2, 3. If they do it incorrectly, 1, 2, 4, 3, then your question is, do you think that's right? Does that look right to you? Now, they may say yes, but they may look at it and say, no. And so your question is, what do we need to do differently to make it right? Let them look at it and see if they can then figure out that they need to change it like that. If your child can put the numbers in ascending order, 1 to 10, then you can play a different game. You can play, let's put them in descending order and see if they can do it. You could also make it like a rocket ship. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. That's a harder skill to obtain, going in descending order. But all of these games are fun, and all of these games should be done for short periods of time. If your child loses interest, stop. You can also ask your child when you go to the grocery store, in the days when we went to the grocery store, or if you're cooking, can you find me 3 potatoes? Let them get 3 potatoes. Can you find the number 4 on this paper for me? Number recognition. All these games, and you should do it in a way that it seems like a fun game to do, will help your child's number skills advance. I'll be back later with more games for you.